Om Sri Matre Nama. I am Dr. Kollur Krishnayar from Mookambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam. Happy Deepavali. 20th October 2025, Monday. Vishwasnama Samvalsaram. Dakshinayanam. Sharadradau. Aipasi Masam, that is Tula Masam. Krishna Paksham. Tithi up to 4:18 p.m. Chaturdashi, then Amavasyaya. Monday, that is Somavasaram. Nakshatram up to 9:31 p.m. Hasta Nakshatram, then Chitre Nakshatram. Rahukalam 7:30 to 9 a.m. Yamagandam 10:30 to 12 noon. Guliyakalam 1:30 to 3 p.m. Good time 9 to 10:30 a.m. then 5 to 5:30 p.m. Today sunrise as per Kerala 6:06 a.m. Chandrashtam for Kumbharashi. Shulam East. Prayachitam Kard. Shraddhatadi Chaturdashi. Today Deepavali. All wishes from Ma Mookambika for financial success, mental peace and families in between positive attitude. All Ashirvadam from Ma Mookambika on the Deepavali day.